Sairam, all of you. Very warm welcome to all the students. How are you all? Today is our environmental studies class. And which chapter we are discussing? We are discussing chapter 2, rocks and minerals. Let's quickly recall what we have studied in our earlier videos, and I have given you one homework also. First of all, what is the earth made up of? The earth is made up of soil and rocks. Okay? Yes, this homework I have given you. Rocks are all around us. You can easily see it all around you. Have you done the homework? What homework I have given you? I have given you to write down the names of the things which is made up of rocks and the things around you. You all have done? I hope you all have done the homework. Then we studied rock. What is rock? Rock is a naturally occurring solid mass. It is made up of different minerals. And what are minerals? Small grains of different colors is called minerals. How rock is made up of? How rocks are made up of? Rocks is made up of small grains of different colors, which is called minerals. And minerals are naturally occurring substance. They are not man-made. They are naturally occurring substance, and mineral act as a building blocks of rocks. As you know that mineral is a small grain substance. So small grains combine together to become a block, a building blocks. So that become a rock. And each rock is of different size and different color. Yes. Then you have studied the types of rocks. How many types of rocks? 3 types of rocks. And rocks are based on how they were formed. The type of rocks are based on how they were formed. So how many types of rocks? There are 3 types of rocks. First one is igneous rocks, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. Understood? How many types of rocks? There are 3 types of rocks. First one is igneous rocks, second sedimentary rock, third metamorphic rock. Alright? So first one is igneous rocks. Name them. Yes, spell it. Igneous. Igneous. Igneous rocks. What is igneous rocks? How it formed? We will study this. Deep inside the earth, the temperature is so high that rocks melt. Deep inside means inside, very deep inside the earth. The temperature is so high, very high, that due to that high temperature rocks melt. Okay. And when a volcano erupts, this molten rocks flow out. What is molten? Molten means the material burned and came out. Okay. So what is molten? Molten means the material melt and becomes in liquid form and comes out. Okay, whenever volcano erupt, you have seen when volcano erupt and deep inside the earth there is very high temperature. Okay, and whenever these rocks melt, it comes out of the volcano. All right, in a molten form means their rocks melted, so that the melted rocks flows out. Understood? See how igneous rocks form. See, deep inside the earth there is very high temperature. This yellow and red color is showing very high temperature. So when these rocks melt, it came out. All right, see the picture. It comes out like this. So inside the earth, molten rock is called magma. You have seen in the picture. See, deep inside the earth, when rocks melt, it is called magma. What does it call? Magma. And when this magma came out, it becomes lava. Okay? Don't get confused. Inside the earth, molten rock is called magma. When it flows out on the surface, it is called lava. Okay, see the picture once again. Molten rocks inside the earth called magma, and when it came out on the surface, it is called lava. Okay? About 95% of earth crust is made up of igneous rocks. How much? About 95%. About 95% of earth's crust is made up of igneous rocks. Alright? Igneous rocks are also known as fiery rocks. Igneous rocks are also known as fiery rocks. First of all, deep inside the earth, the temperature is so high that the rocks melt. Second, when volcano erupt, the molten rocks flow out. The molten rocks flows out. See, deep inside the earth, the melted rocks are called magma, and when it came out of on the surface, it is called lava. Inside the earth, Molten rocks is called magma, and when it flows out onto the surface, it is called lava. Okay, and 95%, almost 95% of Earth's crust is made up of igneous rocks. And igneous rock is also known as fire rocks. Now see, igneous rocks. Deep inside the earth, it is magma. And when it flows out on the surface, it becomes lava. Understood? Now there are types of igneous rocks. Means igneous rocks are also having its types. You know, children, igneous rocks are also different types. The types is depend upon how magma cools down. Okay, how magma cools down. It tell us the types of igneous rocks. Sometimes the magma cools under the earth's surface. Sometimes it comes out of the volcano as lava. Okay, the formation of igneous rock depends upon how magma cools down. Sometimes it cools under the earth's surface, and sometimes it spills out from the cracks on the earth's surface, and sometimes it spills out from the volcano as lava. Understood? And it depends how lava cools down. Maybe it cools down quickly, maybe slowly. It depends on magma. Now there are 4 types of igneous rocks. First one is granite, second is obsidian, third is basalt, fourth is pumice. Repeat with me. First one is granite, second is obsidian, third one is basalt, fourth one is pumice. How many types of igneous rocks? There are mainly 4 types of igneous rocks. And how these rocks form? These rocks are formed. Tell. These rocks are formed. The formation of these rocks depends upon dash. You have to fill in the blank. The formation of igneous rocks depends upon the cooling of magma. Okay? So first one is first one is granite. What is this? Granite. 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 What is this? Granite. How granite formed? First of all, it is very hard rock. It formed by slow cooling of lava. How it formed? How granite formed? Slowly. How it forms? Slowly. Okay. Granite formed by slow cooling of lava, and it is a very hard rock. It is used in making buildings and statues. How granite is used in making buildings and statues. It may be of white, grey, pink, red, or black in color, depending upon the minerals it contains. You all know that all the rocks are of different colors. Okay, and the size is also different. Why? This is because of the mineral contents. Alright, so granite may be of white, grey, pink, red, or black in color, depending upon the mineral it contains. And you all know that rock is made up of small grains of minerals. But in granite is made from large grains. Large grains of minerals. Alright, granite is formed by slow cooling of lava. It is a very hard rock. It is made from the large grains of minerals. It is used in making buildings, statues, etc. It may be of white, grey, pink, red, and black in color depending upon the mineral contents. Understood? Now, today's homework is you have to give me the examples of granite. Okay, this example also you will get from your house. Okay. Now, next is obsidian. What is obsidian? Yes, obsidian. Second is obsidian. 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 How it formed? It formed by quick cooling of lava. How it formed? It forms by quick cooling of lava. It is smooth and glassy. It is smooth and glassy. It is usually black or dark in color. Okay. It is used in making tools, jewelry, and ornaments. Okay. Second type of igneous rocks is obsidian. How it forms? It forms by quick cooling of lava. It is smooth and glassy. It is usually black or in dark color. It is used in making tools, jewelry, ornaments. Children, in ancient times, humans used this obsidian rock in making their tools. Okay, in ancient human use this obsidian type of rock in making their tools. How many types we have studied? We have studied two types. First is granite, second is obsidian, and the third is pumice. What is this? Pumice. So children, third type is pumice. Third type is pumice. It is porous or full of holes. It is porous or full of holes. Porous means tiny, small, tiny holes. It is formed from lava that is foggy with a lot of air within it. It is used in making lightweight building materials like concrete block. See in the picture. See, this is pumice. This is pumice rock. First point we studied that it is full of holes. It has lot of air inside. It is used in making lightweight building materials. So children, in pumice, it is full of holes. And when it cools down, when the lava cools down, the air is trapped in this. That's why you will see this pores. Pores means tiny holes. This is because the air trapped inside this rock, and it is light in color. The color of pumice is light. That's why it looks like a sponge. It looks like a sponge, and it is used in making lightweight building material, and it is also used as a body scrubber. Okay, it is also used as a body scrubber. Ask from your mother or your grandmother that do we have this kind of rock in our washrooms, in our bathrooms, which you use to rub on your body. If you have this kind of pumice rock at your home, just kindly see. It is of light color, it is in lightweight, and holds pores. That rock is full of pores. Okay, let me show you the picture. See children, this is pumice. This is used as a body scrubber also. Just show to your mother, show this to your grandmother. She will tell you that yes, they used this. Okay? See, this one more rock is inside, you found inside your house. So children, fourth type is, what is this? Basalt, basalt. What is this? Basalt. Okay, it is fine grained and glassy rock. It is fine grained and glassy rock. It is formed when volcanic lava cools very fast. Okay, when volcanic lava means lava, what is lava? When the magma came and when the magma comes out of the volcano, it becomes lava. So when lava cools very fast, when it comes contact to air, it cools down very fast, so that become harden very quickly. Okay, it harden very quickly, and the color of this rock is dark. Okay, first of all, it is fine grained. It is fine grained and glassy rock, It is formed when volcanic lava cools very fast and harden quickly. It is of dark in color. It is used in construction. So children, how many types we have studied? We have studied igneous rocks, 4 types. First is granite, second is obsidian, third is basalt, fourth is pumice. Understood? Granite is a very hard rock formed slow cooling of lava. Alright? Obsidian, it is formed by quick cooling of lava. Pumice is formed when lava 40 means form kind of 40 from a lot of air. When the air trapped in the lava, it become pumice. And the fourth one is basalt. It is formed when volcanic lava cools very fast. When the volcanic lava cools very fast and it become hard very quickly. And I hope you all have understood and you all have written the types of igneous rocks. Have you written? And in our next video we will study the other 2 types of rocks, that is sedimentary rock and metamorphic rock. Till then you have to revise all these things again, what we have studied today and in our previous video as well. You have to revise both the things and we will meet in our next class. Alright? Thank you.